Okay, students, now we're on detail call-out number 3. This is the foundation detail, and I got a clarification from Sean there this morning to say that the foundation in this case is going to be a solid block built up of the foundation, the strip foundation. So solid block is what we're going to use. Now, I originally had my foundation wall in at 350. Okay, and it's only when you start to detail this up that you perhaps find these things out, in that I can't get a block combination that will do a 350 wide found. So sometimes you'd have a block on its edge and a block on its flat, you know, but that's only 315, it's not 350. So I've increased my footing to 450, and I'm going to use a detail item, and I'll show you where this is. And I've actually posted up that detail item for you. If I go into the Yammer, here it is here. So it's a detail, it's on the Yammer for you. You can download it and then open it as a family and load it into your project. And this is how it works out here. So it's annotate component, and it's not a repeating now, it's a single component here. Okay, and there is that blockwork item as such. So I'm going to roughly position that here, and I'm going to maneuver it into place, something like that there. Okay, and now I'm going to copy this with the multiple from there, and I'm going to copy it up 110 each time, like so. Now don't worry, we'll do a tidy up in this as well. Now, roughly something like that. Okay, and there'll be a mortar joint in across the top up here, which will set off the blockwork and the brickwork there. Now, if I wanted to be absolutely precise about this, what I can do is using a detail line, and again I'll use a medium line here, I think. So let's find the center point of that, and I'm going to offset this, modify, offset, I'm going to offset this 5 mil, and 5 mil, okay, that one, I'm going to take that one, so I'm going to copy these, so, and every second one I'll put them in here. And that is just to interlace. So what we're happening here is that we've got a 100 by 450 on the flat going east-west, and then we've got 215 by 100 by 150 going north-south. Okay, so that's the foundation area there. Now, let's tidy up a few little things here, and so I'm going to go into my region, and I'm going to pick a filter region, and we have our insulation background here, and I'm going to run a bit of insulation, maybe 50 mil, there and to there. Finish that. See how that looks now. Okay, there's that one. I'll pick that, I'll edit the boundary. Right, and you could even consider putting in a thin lines, piece of insulation that will go kind of down here. You know, now you can discuss that with the team. That I know that very often happens as well. I'm going to do one more here. Insulation there. Okay. Now, I'll stop that one there. I'm going to do a second video on this, and we'll tidy a few things up.